Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna visit Hermes boutique in Beverly Hills. I haven't been to the boutique a while, so I gonna just look around what is interesting. I'm looking for some bold earring for the summer. How about this? This is perfect for daily but too dainty for summer. I like the loop earring. Now let's check out the ready-to-wear and the shoe section. Now this summer, especially in California, you don't want to wear something like loafer. So I'm gonna check just summer sandals. Love this Famosa Espadrille. How about this extra sandal? They have so many color now, so you can choose like summer color. How about the silver color? This is perfect for summer. Let's skip the loafers. Too hot. I love this Alp sandal. It's perfect for summer, but kind of for dress-up look you can wear. So I would love to get this one. There are sneakers and boots section, but yeah, it's too hot for now. And I don't think I like the design of sneakers in Hermes, but it looks comfortable. So let's see if there's anything interesting. Okay, I love this color of trail sneakers. There were many mules, but I'm not a big fan of mule. Now let's check ready-to-wear section. I can see some summer spring color as well. There's a pop color like yellow, red, pink. I feel like Hermes love yellow color, but I'm not a big fan of yellow. But I like the vibrant color combination with the pink and yellow. Love the neon color print on this white t-shirt. Signature geometric print t-shirt as well. But I love the neutral color in Hermes. Like beige, brown, white color. These are the main color in Hermes. My gosh, love this leather dress. Now there's a white and black section. These are like neutral colors, like you can match with any outfit. I love the orange color matching with like white color. But black and white is like basic. Love the leather jacket in black. Now orange and red color. I love this color, so vivid, vibrant. Love these two dresses, black and white. This white dress is sold out. I couldn't get it. I wanted to try any like swimsuit with like lounge pants, so I can try these too. I'm not a big fan of this yellow color, but I can try on because this is only available color. This lounge pants is not for summer, but I think you can try on as a cover-up style. I don't know. I love the silver jewelry in Hermes. Their quality is really good compared to like Tiffany. They never rustle, so I love it. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing of the item from Hermes I purchased. First one is jewelry. It's a silver jewelry. It's perfect for summer. So good summer item. Let me open. Ta-da! Yeah, this is silver jewelry and like ring style, but it's a little bit unique style, horseshoe kind of shape. So I'm gonna try it on and show you how does it look like. This is very light. I really love that style. It's simple. So I love this earring. It's gonna match with any summer look well. So I love it. The name of this earring is a loop earring, medium size, and price was in USA $600 before tax. And let me open next one. Yeah, this color is very neutral color as you can see. Granite rose. I think it's new season color and I love this color because I have orange denim and white color, so I wear those a lot. I didn't expect I'm gonna add more orange. I really like this color. It matches with like this kind of orange color outfit or anything gonna fit because it's like almost my skin color. Yeah, as you can see. So I love it. It's very neutral color, like low-key. It can be very classic color when you match with like a maxi dress or something like that. So like I love this orange color. Granite rose, new season color. And I got 38 size, made in Italy, current price of this oran granite rose color is 660 in USA. The last one, this is also oran, but different color, different material, very unique. So you need to check this one. It's kind of hard to get. I couldn't get from boutique. I was waiting for another color over 6 months, I think. But I was on waitlist and then I couldn't get it yet, so I just gave up. And I was telling my salesperson, SA, that I saw the really cute color from online, so like I gonna get from homepage. Would you mind? And she said, it's okay, you can get it. I couldn't get you yet, so I got from online, and yeah, it was hard to get. Let me show you. Shining wool skin, orange color. It is so hard to get, even from online. So I was waiting and then checking the size. You know, I usually wear size 38 for oran, but this one is half size down, like 37 and half. Made in Italy. This is so cute. It's gonna maybe match with this my orange outfit as well. I was trying to wear this very casually with like jeans, denim, any denim pants or like white dress. For summer, it might be a little bit hot, you know, because here you can see this part is also wool skin, so it's gonna be a little bit hot maybe. Yeah, but I love it. I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's gonna go well with my skin tone as well. I love it. So it's like half size down compared to my other orange sandals, but yeah, I love this orange color wool skin, so pretty in rear. Granite rose, usual orange sandal. This one was 660 because of material. This orange wool skin orange sandal was 860, so $200 more expensive than like usual orange sandal. I think this is gonna be good to wear till like fall season. So I would love to wear this color orange sandal. And what do you think about this silver earring? I love it. So how was my video today? Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.